Hello friends, in this video we will discuss MCQ of Python programming. This is unit second. Let us start. Question number first is, which is the correct operator for power x, y? Right answer will be option B. Next is, which one of these is floor division? Right answer will be option B, double oblique. Next is, what is order of precedence in Python? First is parenthesis, exponential, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. Right answer will be option A. What is the answer to this expression 22 divided by 3 is? Right answer will be option B, 1. Mathematically, operation can be performed on a string. This question or statement is right or wrong, otherwise true or false. Right answer will be option B. This statement is false. Next is operator with the same precedence and evaluated in which manner? Right answer will be option A, left to right. Next is, what is the output of this expression 3 star 1 double star 3? Right answer will be option C. Next is, which one of the following has the same precedence level? Right answer will be option A, addition and subtraction. Next is, the expression in bracket x implies that the variable x is converted to integer. This statement is true or false? This statement is true. Right answer will be option A. Next is, which one of the following has the highest precedence in the expression? Right answer will be option D, parenthesis. Next is, what is the output of print 0.1 plus 0.2 double is equal 0.3? Right answer will be option B. This statement is false. Okay. Next is, which one of the following is not a complex number? Right answer will be option C, k is equal to 2 plus 3j. Okay. Next is, what is the type of info? Right answer will be option C, float. Next is, what does 4 evaluated to? Right answer will be option A, -5. Next is, what does dash dash 5 evaluated to? Right answer will be option A, +5. Next is, which of the following is incorrect? Right answer will be option A, D, sorry. According to question number 16, right answer will be option D. Okay. Next is, what is the result of comp bracket 3 1? Right answer will be option A 1. Next is, which of the following is incorrect? Right answer will be option D float in bracket 12 plus 34. Okay. Next is, what is the result of round bracket 0.5 test round minus 0.5? Right answer will be option D. Value depend on Python version. Next is, what does 3 power 4 evaluate to? Right answer will be option D 7. Next is, what will be the output of the following Python code snippet if x is equal to 1, x less than 2? Right answer will be option D 4. Next is, what will be the output of the following Python expression? Right answer will be option B. Okay, 0B 11101. Next is, what will be the output of the following Python expression if x is equal to 15 and y is equal to 12, x and y? Right answer will be option C 12. Next is, which of the following represents the bitwise XOR operator? Right answer will be option B